In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, scroll down to click on Apps, select Choose Default Apps and click on Home App. Now apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Wait for the pop-up and hit Allow All. Then wait. As you can see, my Apple Launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to the same settings and clicking on your default home app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!